In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Instant Transfer Failed but fee charged. So typically, an instant bank transfer charges a 1.75% fee with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum fee of $25. This is deducted from the transfer amount for each transfers. The instant transfers can be made 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, regardless of holidays or weekend schedules. So if it actually failed, it may be because of some issues either on your card or bank or as well as your Venmo account. So instant transfers are reviewed and can be declined for a variety of reasons, and some of those reasons is because your card or bank that you're using is registered in your name or not your own name. So it may be declined because of that or because your legal first and last name are not on file with your Venmo account. So you need to make sure that the card or bank you're using is registered in your own name and your name on Venmo is the same from there as well. So it needs to be made like this to make sure that you're the one that's initiating the transfer. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.